Esikhathini esiningi imitholampilo kahulumeni ayikwazi ukumelana nomthamo wabantu abasuke bedinga usizo lwezempilo. Yingakho-ke imeya yaseTshwane kanye nobhekele ezempilo ekomidini lemeya bekhethe ukuhlangana nenkampani ezimele i-Empathy Private Healthcare ukuvula lo mtholampilo eTshwane.
It brings all the services that one of our public health clinics render to the community members. So it will include even the vaccinations for babies and children. It will look after patients with HIV, AIDS, TB, all those diseases that you get in other clinics. They will also get their medication at a very low cost.
I-Empathy ithi umnyango wezempilo iwona onezwi uma kumele kuhlonzwe izindawo ezilungelwe ukuba nalo mtholampilo.
Our partnership with the Department of Health actually is the driving force behind how we select the sites. So we're currently in conversations with the Department of Health in Tshwane, and we've identified Winterveld as the next site in Tshwane.
Amalungu omphakathi athi lo mtholampilo uzoba usizo olukhulu.
Lo mtholampilo uzolekelela kakhulu abantu abangakwazi ukukhokhela usizo olutholakala esibhedlela nasemtholampilo ezimele futhi angeke besama olayini abade.
Imali ongayikhokha kulo mtholampilo uma umdala iphakathi kwe150 kuya emakhulwini amathathu, kanti izingane zona zikhokha ikhulu lamarandi.